Welcome to our deep dive into DaVinci Resolve 19. Whether you're an aspiring editor or a seasoned pro, choosing between the free and studio versions can be a daunting decision. Let's explore what each offers in 2025. The free version of DaVinci Resolve 19 provides remarkable features like powerful color correction, Fairlight audio tools, and essential editing capabilities. It's perfect for beginners or those on a budget. In contrast, the studio version unlocks advanced features like 3D tools, better noise reduction, and collaboration options, tailored for professional projects and teams. When it comes to performance, the studio version can handle larger projects and more complex effects with ease, while the free version may lag with intensive tasks. Cost is a pivotal factor. The free version is obviously free, but is the investment in the studio version justified? Let's break down the costs versus benefits. Both versions provide intuitive interfaces, but user experience can vary. The studio version's additional tools can overwhelm some users, while others might find them essential. Collaboration is key for many projects, and here, the studio version excels with its advanced sharing and multi-user capabilities designed for team environments. Integration with other platforms and plugins is crucial. Both versions support industry-standard formats, but the studio version allows for greater plugin compatibility. Understanding your target audience is vital. If you're a hobbyist or a student, the free version might suffice. But if you're a professional editor aiming for high-quality outputs, consider Studio. In conclusion, the best version for you in 2025 boils down to your specific needs and budget. Weigh the pros and cons, and make the choice that aligns with your editing aspirations.